Hi, I'm Hannah, and I am an integrative health and nutrition coach. In this video, I will be sharing a little bit more about me and how integrative nutrition and holistic living has helped me maintain my sobriety for the last 3 years. I struggled with alcohol for a long time. I used alcohol to fit in, to manage my anxiety, and to cope with the suppressed grief from my father's suicide when I was 7 years old. In the summer of 2019, though, I had enough. I was tired of being caught in the cycle of heavy drinking and blacking out, waking up hungover, full of shame and regret, and scared about where my life was headed. I decided to take bold action and reassess my relationship with alcohol. I was determined to get sober, live a healthier lifestyle, and stop the self-sabotage and negative lifestyle behaviors. So I demoted myself at work and I enrolled in a year-long holistic health coaching program. I graduated from the Institute for Integrative Nutrition's Health and Nutrition program in 2020, where I learned from some of the top experts in the field of mind-body medicine. During my training, I studied over 100 dietary theories, practical lifestyle management techniques, and innovative coaching methods with some of the world's top health and wellness experts. My teachers included Dr. Andrew Weil, Director of Arizona Center for Integrative Medicine, Dr. David Katz, Director of Yale University's Prevention Research Center, Dr. Walter Willett, Chair of Nutrition at Harvard University, and Dr. Mark Hyman, Head of Strategy and Innovation at the Cleveland Clinic Center for Functional Medicine. Again, I'm now 3 years sober and live a completely different lifestyle, prioritizing my health and well-being. So food plays a vital role in helping the body rebuild itself and maintain good health. Alcohol and drug abuse takes a major toll on the human body. Recovering from alcohol or drug abuse takes time, and implementing proper nutrition is one of the many ways you can support yourself in sobriety. So this is a disclaimer before I continue, but the information I will be providing is a general overview and is not meant to take the place of advice given to you directly by your doctor. So food influences the way the brain functions. When your body isn't producing enough brain chemicals or neurotransmitters, or these chemicals are out of balance, you can feel irritable and anxious. You can suffer from food cravings, anxiety, and an inability to sleep. The resulting stress can also affect your memory and make you feel paranoid, tired, dissatisfied, or depressed. So these are some of the chemicals that make us happy, shown here on this slide. And in this video, I am going to be sharing more about the foods that can help support our serotonin levels, which helps stabilize our mood and is more sensitive to diet than any other neurotransmitter. So when you abuse alcohol and drugs, you typically consume less food, except with marijuana use, choose meals that are less nutritious and or may skip meals, increase the loss of nutrients through vomiting and diarrhea, and damage your gut so that it can't absorb the nutrients in food properly. So during recovery, you should eat a diet that will balance your levels of serotonin. And serotonin plays a key role in body functions, including mood, sleep, digestion, nausea, wound healing, bone health, blood clotting, and sexual desire. Creating this balance involves eating foods high in complex carbohydrates found in starchy foods like legumes, examples being beans, chickpeas, lentils, and peas. You can also find them in root vegetables like potatoes and carrots, as well as oats, buckwheat, and quinoa. Eating these foods in combination with lean protein, including grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, and wild-caught fatty fish in your meals will keep you feeling your best. So next I want to talk about complex B vitamins, which I have listed right here on this slide. So there are 8 B vitamins collectively called the B complex vitamins. Though each of these vitamins have their own unique functions, they generally help your body produce energy and make important molecules in your cells. B vitamins help with your metabolism, nerve function, heart function, energy, and protein metabolism. Deficiencies in B complex vitamins are common with alcoholism. Aside from B12, your body cannot store these vitamins for long periods, so you have to replenish them regularly through food intake. So again, here are the B vitamins listed and a couple of examples of different ways you can incorporate these vitamins through your food intake. So vitamin B1 is the energy producer. It's found in fortified cereals, whole grains, black beans, and pork. Vitamin B2 is a cognitive health booster and can be found in almonds, milk, and dairy products, many fortified cereals, and chicken. Vitamin B3 helps with DNA repair and is critical for cellular health and aging and cleansing. We can find this vitamin in avocados, turkey, peanuts, mushrooms, and chicken. Vitamin B5 is excellent for helping maintain healthy cholesterol levels and blood pressure already within the normal range, making it key to heart health. It helps regulate stress levels, supports the immune system, and aids in the production of neurotransmitters in our brain. You can get your daily dose of B5 through shiitake mushrooms, beef, poultry, potatoes, and whole grains. Vitamin B6 is an essential neurotransmitter producer. It is crucial to brain development and function and encourages the development of the hormone serotonin. You can get your B6 intake through salmon and other fatty fish, potatoes, and grains. Vitamin B7 is a healthy hair, skin, and nail producer. We can gain our daily dose of B7 through leafy greens like spinach and broccoli, beef, egg yolks, sunflower seeds, and sweet potatoes. Vitamin B9 is a neuron regulator and helps the body with the production of red blood cells, neurons, and other genetic material. Folic acid is essential to brain and nerve function, as well as preventing birth defects. B9 is found in asparagus, Brussels sprouts, fruits, nuts, and beans. And finally, B12 is necessary for the synthesis of red blood cells, protects the health of the nervous system, synthesizes DNA, and metabolizes protein into energy. It's important to maintain healthy B12 levels in the body. However, B12 is not found in any plant-based foods. To get our daily intake through food, we need to consume animal products or have supplementation. So, food and mental health. One of the most overlooked aspects of mental health is nutrition. Food plays a significant role in our physical health as well as our mental and emotional health. When you are struggling with depression, it can feel a bit overwhelming to think about eating the right foods. However, some of these small changes in your diet may help to decrease your symptoms and have a positive effect on your daily life. So here are some examples of foods that help fight depression. So wild-caught fatty fish, especially the more oily types like salmon, mackerel, trout, sardines, and tuna, not canned, are great choices to help fight depression. Omega-3s are important in brain health and may be involved in the functioning of serotonin, which again is important in the regulation of mood. Nuts, especially walnuts, support overall brain health and is one of the highest plant-based sources of omega-3s and a great source of protein to help keep blood sugar levels at a healthy balance. Beans are also a great source of protein and fiber, which helps maintain stable and consistent blood sugar levels and can affect our mood. Seeds like flaxseed and chia seed are a great addition to your diet if you struggle with depression. As with some of these other foods mentioned, these are two types of feeds that are particularly great sources of omega-3 fats. Poultry like chicken and turkey are both great sources of lean protein that can help to stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping your mood well balanced throughout the day. Turkey and chicken breasts are known to provide high amounts of tryptophan, which helps create serotonin and assists in maintaining healthy sleep and balanced mood. Eating vegetables can be very helpful if you struggle with depression. Folate, fiber, and other nutrients make vegetables, especially the darker leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and arugula, a wonderful choice when looking for foods to help stabilize and improve mood. Probiotics are microorganisms living in your gut that play a key role in mood regulation by helping to reduce inflammation in your body, produce those feel-good neurotransmitters, and affect your stress response. The vitamins and minerals abundant in whole foods are necessary raw materials that our body depends on daily. We also get the benefits of fiber and phytonutrients, which protect against chronic diseases. Whole foods are considered nutrient dense because they contain a variety of minerals, vitamins, and nutrients, as opposed to highly processed foods, which are considered more empty calories. So again, this was just a basic overview and some quick tips on how to incorporate nutrition into your sober living. If you have any questions or are looking for additional support, you can send me an email at hannah@selfcareinthecity.com, or you can send me a direct message on Instagram, again, Self Care in the City. Thank you so much for watching.